A monster takeover! Ladies Island Middle School teamed up with Beaufort Elementary School to work on a collaborative art and writing project. 3rd and 4th grade students designed monsters, and the middle school art students took those sketches and brought them to life using paper mache and recycled materials.
I enjoyed taking something 2D where you couldn't see all sides of it and turning it 3D, so kind of having to make up parts of it but still having it match the picture.
The middle schoolers also wrote short stories about each of the monsters and read them to the younger kids. The Pat Conroy Literary Center held a special writer's workshop to help students develop their stories.
They taught us about hero stories, how there's always a rise and a fall, how there's problem, solution, friends that help along the way.
Be creative in telling a story that everyone will enjoy. If people hear the same story every single time, they're going to get bored. So if you present something different, it brings a larger crowd.
The middle schoolers had lots of fun writing about the monsters.
He gave me a 100-year-old day and I named him Billy and was to figure out who stole the cookies, and I made a story about that.
It was about this monster, Remy, who was 6 inches tall. The world was overthrown with bunnies and Remy got lost being that height, so they had to find their way back.
The elementary students were excited to see their monsters and read the stories.
I loved all the thought put into it. It was awesome stories. I loved the stories. They really made me think about what personality my monster had. It made me feel so special that they actually thought about it.
It was magnificent. I also love the story. Seeing these monsters it just impressed me how good they done just for the grade for us.
The art students made more than 70 monsters. At Beaufort Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.